Hey guys, we got the Canon EOS M6 Mark II kit here, thanks to Canon, and today I'll be opening it up to see what's inside and also give you my 2 cents on it. I think unboxing videos are fun because they are a little nostalgic, right? It's a throwback to birthdays past and boxes with surprises. I know it takes me back to when little Adam would rip apart wrapping paper. Okay. I know you want me to open the box already. But before I get into it, remember you can come visit us at the Digital Go-To showroom if you're in Miami. And don't forget, we publish new content weekly, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, tap the bell icon to get notified about the latest videos. So let's dig in. Now, as I open the box, I'd like to give thanks to Canon for providing us with the M6 Mark II. First off, you're gonna see that there's some good reading material here, getting started guide, and the registration card. Don't toss it because it's worth filling out and stay up to date on firmware updates and notifications. Now onto the good stuff. Now this kit's gonna provide you with the EVF DC2 electronic viewfinder. This is the same viewfinder that was offered with the previous M6. It's great that Canon is including it with this kit. Although it increases the size of the camera, I personally like having it attached, especially when shooting outdoors. It also allows you to access touch and drag AF, which I've come to appreciate. If you're looking to keep the camera more compact or use the hot shoe, you can remove it. Let me know in the comments below what you prefer. By the way, I always feel like I'm asking you questions in these videos, and I'd like to give you the opportunity to ask me a question as well. So feel free to ask me any question, camera related or not, and in future videos, I'll answer 1 or 2 at the end and give you a shout out. All you have to do is ask me a question and add hashtag AskAdam so I know that you'd like to be featured. All right, so let's see what else is inside the box. The first thing you're gonna notice is the Canon standard shoulder strap. I do prefer something like the Altura Photo wrist strap or the rapid fire strap, which I'll put the links down below if you're interested. Next, we're gonna have the LCE17 battery charger. This is the standard Canon wall charger. I like that the prongs just flip out and you can plug it directly into the wall. No cables necessary. Next, we're gonna have the LPE17 battery. This is a similar battery that's used in cameras like the Canon SL3 and the new Canon EOS RP. Right here we have the camera. We'll go over that in just a moment. But next is the lens. This is a 15 to 45 millimeter lens. It's the standard wide angle zoom lens that's provided on a lot of the EOS M series cameras. It's ultra compact and it gives you wide angle to moderate telephoto. It's great to take for events or take out on a trip. Saving the best for last is the camera. And I love how small this camera is. The grip, the dials feel amazing. This camera has impressive 32 megapixel sensor and the image quality is great. It's even capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second. Now, like most other recent Canon cameras, it does not shoot in 24 frames per second, but news break, a recent announcement by Canon was made that they will be releasing new firmware updates for a few models in order to be able to shoot in 24 frames per second in 4K and 1080p. And one of those models is the M6 Mark II. Now this firmware update should be available sometime during the first half of 2020. How many of you like having the option of 24 frames per second? Just let me know in the links below what you'd like shooting in. A great video feature of the M6 Mark II is the option to shoot in 120 frames per second in 1080p, which is great for recording B-rolls, but it doesn't record audio and there's no autofocus at that frame rate. But it still works great for those epic slow motion shots. This camera now features the new Digic 8 processor that's found in Canon's larger camera models, which is impressive, and that's what makes it possible to record video at such a high level. Having the Digic 8 processor also means that the camera does have dual pixel eye detect autofocus that Canon is famous for, which is such a great feature to have in this little camera. People who love to take portraits are going to love the eye detect AF. Great for nailing focus where it matters, the eye. So if we look at the side of the camera, on the right side with the grip, you'll notice a USB port and HDMI port. USB is USB Type-C, and the HDMI has clean, uncompressed signal out, so you can go right to a monitor or a recorder. On the opposite side, you're gonna notice a microphone jack as well as a cable release jack. Now the camera doesn't feature a headphone jack for monitoring audio. The M6 Mark II also has a flip-up touchscreen, which makes it so much easier when adjusting settings as you're shooting. These features, along with its size, can make it really cool for vlogging and make it a great on-the-go camera. So there you have it, the Canon M6 Mark II kit. Are you looking to get your hands on one? Let me know in the comment section below, and remember that you can ask me anything and it might be featured in an upcoming video just by putting hashtag #AskAdam after your question. Now, if you like this video, remember, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon. And if you're in Miami, come visit us at the Digital Goja showroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.